Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into the unsung hero of any broadcast operation, that critical moment when your content first enters the system. And we'll be looking at it through the lens of that huge choice, on-premise versus cloud automation.
All right, so just so you know, this is part 5 of our deep dive, and it's all based on a really comprehensive report from Virtualization Options LLC. Today, we are zeroing in on Chapter 5, which is all about a crucial piece of the puzzle, content ingestion.
So let's start with this question. When you think about getting content on the air, it's easy to just picture hitting an upload button, right? But to really grasp what's going on, you need to think of ingestion as the very heart of your entire operation. It's not just one little step. It's the gateway for every single thing that follows.
And this definition just nails it. Content ingestion is the digital front door to your whole operation. Every piece of audio, every video clip, it all has to come through this one point. The success of your entire broadcast begins right here.
So, where does this all kick off? Well, it actually starts with the raw material itself. Before you can even think about ingesting anything, you have to make sure the content is actually ready for prime time. What's so fascinating when you look at a room like this is realizing the journey that audio takes before it's even officially ingested. Every single fader, every screen you see here represents a critical decision that's going to directly impact the quality of that final file entering your system. And here's the kind of thing we're talking about. EQ, compression, limiting, all these processing steps are absolutely vital. And you know what? It doesn't matter if your gear is physical and on-premise, or if it's all happening in the cloud, each one of these steps sculpts the sound, making sure it's clear, consistent, and ready for broadcast right from the get-go.
And this right here says it all. It's the oldest rule in the book, garbage in, garbage out. Your ingesting system, as powerful as it might be, can't magically fix a file that was poorly processed to begin with. That quality control has to happen before the content ever hits your workflow. Now let's talk about the digital highway that your content is going to travel on. This is your infrastructure backbone, all the hardware and networking that makes everything else possible.
And this is that classic dilemma, isn't it? Do you want physical hardware sitting in your own building, or do you want scalable resources up in the cloud? Your choice here fundamentally changes how you handle content. One gives you that direct, hands-on control. The other offers just incredible flexibility and scale. So it's this constant balancing act, right? You're juggling control, cost, and the flexibility you need to grow. A slew network or an underpowered server can bring your entire ingestion process to a grinding halt, and it doesn't matter how good your software is.
So the big takeaway here is that your infrastructure has to be built for your specific workflow. It is the highway your content travels on, and believe me, any traffic jams are going to be felt across the entire station.
Okay, so your content is in the system, now what? Well, how do you protect it? This is where we get into the digital vault, where security becomes absolutely critical.
And don't be fooled, as broadcast systems get more and more connected, they face the exact same threats as any major IT network out there. Your content is valuable intellectual property, and it is vulnerable from the very moment it gets ingested.
A multi-layered security strategy like this isn't just a good idea, it is essential. From controlling who gets access to planning for a total disaster, these are the steps that stand between your valuable assets and a major crisis.
All right, finally, let's look to the future. Because emerging technologies are completely redefining what ingestion even means. And trust me, this isn't just about uploading files anymore.
Just imagine a world where AI automatically generates all your metadata, tags your content, and even analyzes audience engagement as the files are being ingested. This completely changes ingestion from just a manual task to an intelligent workflow that makes your content more discoverable and ultimately way more valuable.
And all of this leads to a move away from physical cables and toward these super flexible cloud-native architectures. It means content can be ingested from literally anywhere, routed anywhere, and processed with incredible efficiency, all over an IP network.
And this is where things get really exciting. In the future, ingestion won't just be for audio or video files. We're going to be ingesting assets for augmented reality, virtual reality, and metaverse experiences, creating entirely new forms of interactive content for our audiences.
So, it all comes down to this question, doesn't it? Choosing an ingestion system isn't just some technical decision, it's a strategic one about the future of your entire station. So are you building a workflow for the past, or are you engineering it for the incredible innovations of tomorrow?